Hello students, and welcome to the next section of our Scratch 3 video lecture course. And in this video lecture and in the following ones, we're going to create a simple runner game. So what is actually interesting about this runner game? Well, first of all, we're going to consolidate our knowledge about creating clones, and also we're going to get acquainted with my blocks category. Well, to begin with, let us make some changes to our cat. So first of all, of course, let us call him Mr. Cat as usual. Okay. What is going to be the purpose of the game? Well, we're going to run. So our backdrop and our scene is going to move. Okay. And we will be able to jump. So we will have some kind of obstacles, and we're going to run towards the obstacles, and we will have to jump over them in order not to lose. I hope this part is clear. Now let us proceed to the changes. Well, the first thing we would like to do is we would like to add one more costume to our Mr. Cat. Why? Because we need not only the costumes for running, but also for jumping. So let us choose a costume here, and let us find cat flying. Here's our cat flying. This costume will do pretty fine. Okay, so now we've got three costumes here: first, second, and third. Well, but how we will be able to change our costumes so that when we need our cat to run, it will switch the running costumes, but not the flying costume. So actually, so far we have used only the next costume block, and in this project we're also going to use it, but we're going to use one more simple trick for this. Okay, so first of all, what we should do in scripting. So we go to My Blocks. What is the My Blocks category? Well, this is some kind of custom blocks that help us make our code clean and easy. Okay, so here we can create some block, and first thing we should do is we should name our block. For example, let us name our block Run. And we press OK because we do not need anything extra here. So here we have now a run block that we can drag, and we have some kind of strange block that looks like an event block that's called define run. So why would we need this block? Because when we create a custom block, it doesn't know how to do anything. So we need to teach our block to give him some commands that he should do. So what will be the commands of the run block? Let us do the trick with costumes here. Well, let us take the if else block. So we're going to change our costumes. So we're going to switch the next costume until our costume becomes costume number 2. Why? Because we need to switch between these two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We do not need the third one. So how should we do this? When our costume number is going to be 2, we're going to switch it back to the first costume. Okay? So when the costume number is 2, we're going to switch our costume to costume 1. Okay? Otherwise, we're going to switch to the next costume, which means this script will just switch between first costume and second. Now let us try how this script works when the sprite is clicked forever, and let us do the run block. Yeah, now look at this. Our costumes change only like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is the cool part about this trick. Okay, so in the next video lecture, we're going to create one more custom block, which will be called jumping. And for this lecture, this is all. See you in the next part.